Discover Italy behind the wheel of a perfectly restored vintage car. From Lake Como to Tuscany, from the Riviera to the rolling hills of Piedmont, every road becomes a story and every stop a postcard. With Wego-Now, you'll experience authentic Italy in style, breathtaking routes, local flavors, and pure freedom. Our tours include everything: itinerary, assistance, fuel, and smiles, so you can just enjoy the ride. Feel the wind, taste Italy, live the vintage dream. Are ready to start your journey? Scan the QR code on your screen and discover your next Italian adventure with Wego-Now.